The most bullish thing that could happen to XRP has nothing to do with the price, nothing to do with a partnership announcement, and nothing to do with regulation. It's something much quieter, and it's already happening right now, whether you're watching or not. And here's where it gets uncomfortable. XRP's biggest problem over the next few years won't be adoption. It won't be competition. It won't even be regulation. It's going to be something that almost no one is talking about seriously yet, and that's the fact that there simply won't be enough of it. I know how that sounds. I know. But stay with me, because I'm not going to give you hype or a price prediction. I'm going to give you the actual numbers, the actual mechanics, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why a supply shock isn't a theory. It's a mathematical outcome, and the clock is already running. Let's start with the number that people always throw at you when you bring up XRP scarcity. 100 billion. That's the max supply. And on the surface, yes, it sounds enormous. It sounds like there's more than enough XRP to go around for every person, every institution, every use case imaginable. And that's exactly why most people stop thinking about it right there. They see 100 billion and they move on. But here's what they're not doing. They're not asking the next question. 100 billion sounds like a lot, until you start mapping it against reality. Right now, there are approximately 7.4 million XRP wallets in existence. Do you know what happens if every single one of those wallets holds just 13,500 XRP? The entire circulating supply is gone. Every unit accounted for. Now scale that. If wallet count doubles to 15 million, which is a conservative projection given where adoption is heading, you only need around 6,500 XRP per wallet to absorb the entire supply. And that's before we even talk about institutional demand, before we talk about lockups, before we talk about ETFs, before we talk about liquidity pools and DeFi reserves. This is what I mean when I say the math changes everything. The circulating supply of XRP right now sits at roughly 62 billion, not 100 billion. And that 62 billion is being pulled from multiple directions simultaneously. Each one individually looks small, but together they tell a completely different story than what most people are seeing. And that story has a very specific ending. The next section is where the real mechanics come in, because it's not just wallets absorbing supply. There are 5 separate forces pulling XRP out of circulation right now, and most people are only aware of one.